Hey guys, welcome to Tennessee DIY. Today we are trying out the upgraded V12 Pro from INMOTION. Check it out. It has the new Raptor controller, and of course they say it has 155 kilometer long range, which is pretty cool. So that's going to be, wow, they're actually saying almost 90 miles. Of course that's not riding aggressive and fast. But we're going to do a little unboxing, kind of give you guys a little snippet of what is in this box, and we'll show you how it looks. Guys, I'll pop this thing open, and pop the straps. Let's take a look, guys. What we got in the box. This is the upgraded INMOTION V12 Pro. You got your manuals. Of course, the V12 has been out for a long time, but this is the Pro. So, yeah, we want to add another one. We have two V10Fs. Got the V13. Got about 1,600 miles on the V13, and about almost 1,000 miles on each of the V10Fs. That nice black foam packaging. But just wanted to get something that some of the friends and myself can throw in the vehicle. Got these side pads. Pull out, guys. It's always gonna be heavy. About 65 pounds, or I think this one's rated as. Let's get a little foam out. Very nice. Little side pads that come with it. And foam. Yeah, it comes with that extra orange on there now, guys. I've got a little kickstand. So you can tip that down, just like that. Really nice, convenient. Still has almost the same signature size as the V10Fs, just a tad taller. And check that tire out, guys. It's nice and thick, 3-inch beefy. It's got some thick off-roading tread on it. The sale on this thing was just hard to pass up, so I just wanted to pick one up, add one to the channel, and actually to our fleet of unicycles. But yeah, guys, we'll get some of this stuff going on here. Let you kind of get in on here. Let's see what the backlight is on the sides, they said. So, see these two little LED strips? You got the kickstand there, but these goes down just like that. And then this little rubber cap comes up. You got your charge port, USB and C. And these are your red lights for your rear lights and brake lights. And they also can illuminate with, there's lights around this whole strip here that you can do. And then of course this is your front big boombox speaker and a boombox speaker right there. So we'll get those little panels on, guys, and kind of give you a look, see what else is in the spice underneath this hood. With that new Raptor controller, it should not have the issues that the older V12 high torque and the high speed were having. So anyway, I like the fact that this right here, the V11, the whole frame unibody comes way down here, kind of way down here. So still okay for off-roading, but this one definitely has better clearance here. And then of course the pedals, they put these extra rubber grips out here, and it has the grip tape. But I did get the spike pedals. We may throw on here, we may not, it just depends. See how it kind of rolls. But yeah, guys, it has a low and a high. We'll get it turned on and see what's under the hood. Guys, just take your panel. This top side has bigger lips, so you want to put the top in first and then pop it, okay? So got the top in, pop your bottom in. And if you ever had to remove that to unscrew the Raptor controller, you want to pull from the bottom out and then remove it. Same with this other side, guys. Notice the top has deeper grooves. You'll put your top in first, get it deep up in there, get back against behind the wheel here. Once you get that top in place, get a little snap. Make sure that top's in first. Easy peasy, guys. That's how it works. Guys, we got an extra spare seat added. You got one Velcro strap. Pull the Velcro off. What you want to do is aim the INMOTION part of the seat forward, because this is made to slide back here, because you still want to be able to access your lift, your little pull switch, and then you can grab your kill switch right here as you lift the vehicle. So with the seat on there, you want to definitely put it farther back, plus seated riding is going to be in that perfect position front of the back.
Please activate your vehicle.
Guys, power it on. It's going to say please activate your vehicle. Get on your phone and you want to log in, and then we're going to activate the vehicle. Guys, never operate your vehicle without doing an air pressure check. We just got it from the factory. Got the cap off. Let's see where we're at. Okay, it's showing that we are at 25 pounds. That's a little low. We'll probably leave it at that to break the new tire in, and then we'll go up to 28 to 30. But that's not a bad, you got to wear in a new tire, guys, because it has some stuff on it. But yeah, we got the app activated, and we got it on low beam. It's looking nice, guys. I'll show you some of the settings we're going to do here in a second. Guys, check it out. We put the English pack on it under the app. You can select English. So
Light on.
one tap, you got your one set of lights. Second tap, another set. One's high and low, and then you can combine them together. Look how bright that is. That's just ridiculously bright. And on the back, you have the red lights on. We're gonna see if we can make those any brighter in the app, but I'm sure they'll be good enough at night when it's dark. So, but both these strips are your backlights, so pretty cool. And yeah, guys, we'll show you how we set the app up here in a second. Guys, I'll show you some settings that will get you started real nice. Just hit on your, hold down your power button. So we set our speed to max speed. You can enable fancy mode, which will allow you to get to 43 miles per hour. We've enabled that. We have the speed alarm set to 32, so we know we're getting up there. We have it set on commuting because we're not doing much off-roading. I like pedal sensitivity right in the 70 mark. It makes it where it can dip a tad on you so it's not so stiff. And then split ride mode we've activated. That allows to have 50-50, so that helps with braking and accelerating, and it's just a good overall start. I don't have auto light on. I like to control that when it comes on. Ambient light, if that's for the side lights that you can turn on, and then ambient light mode you have, which you can turn that on as well. You can do it with music, or you can do it with speed. We're going to probably do it with music, or you can do your own DIY. That's pretty sweet. And then you got volume. We turned that up so you can actually hear that over your music playing. Screen off, auto off I have turned off because I like to have it on while I'm running. Sound wave, you could turn that on if you wanted to have the noise of your actual wheels sound like a motorcycle if you wish. Balancing angle, tilted forward 1, that'll help with acceleration. You can adjust that high or low like any other INMOTION vehicle. You can calibrate your vehicle if you need to, if it feels like it's leaning to one side or not bouncing straight up and down. That would have to be done either on the side, you lay the vehicle totally on the side, or tilt it on the back, or tilt it to the front nose to get the calibration right. Let's see, go back here. Let's see what else we got in here. Screen on off, we did that. You got the spin kill button, which we're leaving that on because we like to grab the thing and spin kill when we pick it up. Auto balance, I got to figure out still what the assist balance is. It's probably going to help keep the vehicle maybe a little more of like a soft mode, but I haven't read into that yet. That's a new one for me. Then you just got about vehicle, and that's pretty much sums that up. And then guys, up here, if you want to change to kilometers or mile per hour, just hold down on the mile per hour, and that'll go to kilometers or mile per hour. We've got that set, and this is how the battery came out, about 40%, 39% from the factory. You can slide to your left to see your top speed. We just did a quick spin, average speed of 14 mile an hour. We hit that, and I'll give you a quick little ride here so you can see what it looks like. Alright guys, we're probably going to put the power pads on it later on. I got some power pads right for here, and then we may do spike pedals. I think I might lower these pedals a little bit, but just to give it a little bit more stability. But let's give it a little quick ride, see how it feels. Hey guys, it's actually very nice to carve. Feels good, just lean into it. Very tight carve, but that new tire is very smooth. Let's go out for a quick ride out here. Feels good, guys, with that new 3-inch fat tire. This is a non-suspension wheel, but with that
Light on.
those lights are so cool. I like that. It's got 3 light mode settings. It's pretty sweet. But with that thick 3-inch fat tire and that type of tread on there now, you almost don't even feel that you need suspension unless you're doing a ton of off-road jumps. But we're not planning to take this one a ton of off-roading, and so yeah, it's pretty sweet. All you gotta do is pull that button, walk around. Yeah. And then if you want to lift the vehicle, you can put this back down, grab your spin kill, make sure it's activated so you'll spin the wheel out, you can put it in the vehicle, set it back down, activate it. And always remember, guys, have your vehicle in the upright position when you power on and off. Anyway, guys, there's the V12 Pro. We may do another ride video with it later on, and maybe do a video of showing those spike pedals and some power pads on it. But yeah, just an unboxing and a quick review and a quick settings for the new rendition of the V12 Pro. I know this one comes with the new Raptor controller, and I also noticed the axle inside is a thicker axle. They were having some issues with the older V12s, high torque and high speed. But with that fancier mode, guys, you can actually, this is almost a combination of both of the older renditions. If you turn fancier mode on, you can go to 43 mile per hour with the V12 Pro. So even though it says top speed of 37, fancy mode takes you to 43. So you literally have high torque and high speed all in one, with a bigger axle, updated firmware, and overall, guys, build quality. These are like a rubberish, if you would look at this. Some people were thinking that it was just a plastic label. This right here is a actual orange label, but this is rubbery. This is like a real rubbery compound. So that makes it really nice. It kind of gives it that little look, kind of gives that cool orange vibe. And notice this, guys, too. IPX6, so you can ride through a little bit of splash. Isn't that great? I would consider this a little more waterproof than the V13. And I put a little bit of like rubberized duct tape right there, because you'll scratch these up and they can get rusty. That kind of gives you a real good stable when you hit the kill switch button, and it keeps it up. Perfect kickstand, guys. Nice little rubber rain guard. But yeah, guys, overall, pick it back up, put that up, and even if you were to ride with that down, it's going to naturally try to tend to pull it up, so it's not going to be death, life threatening if you forgot the kickstand, but it's going to rub. So just pop it back up there, guys. And like I said, nice. If you like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to the channel.